Gears here and get into the weather story. We're talking about funnel clouds spotted, John, and a storm on the horizon. Good morning.
Yeah, definitely yesterday. We'll clarify that. That's when we saw that funnel cloud. No reports of damage, and the National Weather Service has not reported that it actually even touched the ground. So officially at this point, still calling it a funnel cloud yesterday. That was up in Sonoma County. Where we're sitting this morning, we do have a nice, relatively calm start in San Francisco. Saw some showers within the past hour though, so in those shower eggs are still moving across the bay. A lot of snowfall up in the Sierra Nevada. Where we're sitting on radar right now, pockets of heavy rain here and there. You've probably heard those as you were sleeping last night. San Jose, you've calmed down after you saw some showers rolling overhead just moments ago. And we still do have some pockets of, I would say, moderate rainfall moving across the North Bay and East Bay. San Ramon, you're about to see rainfall picking up, likely have just these past few moments. Same down towards the south end of San Francisco, past Daly City. Now, Futurecast shows these pockets of rain continuing on and off throughout the day today. You will get some times of sunshine, especially late this morning, looking pretty nice. Towards the afternoon, though, you can see that we will see some pockets of thunderstorms developing, much like yesterday. So wash, rinse, repeat of what we had for your Thursday as well. We will see some showers as well into Saturday morning. Saturday will bring some times of clearing, but especially morning and then late afternoon hours, really picking up some energy. Now, Sunday is what my eyes are focused on, because Sunday is going to be a really interesting day. Lots of rain pushing in, and especially for Southern California. The big rain winners out of this next storm system is going to be the Santa Cruz Mountains. You see overnight hours, Saturday night into Sunday morning, that deep red just inundating the mountains above San Jose and the peninsula, and some heavy rain falling down there. This will increase your flooding risk, especially for our neighbors in the South Bay. Notice the North Bay not seeing near as much rainfall intensity as our southern neighbors will. But this is going to be a major system rolling through to finish out the weekend. Today and tomorrow's rainfall, fairly moderate. Sunday comes around and bam, we got a lot of it coming down. Ben Lomond just in one day looking at around 5 inches of rainfall. Now, if this system does stall out to our south, it's actually not the Bay Area, but Southern California around Los Angeles that could see some major flooding potential. Some of the mountains up there as much as 8 inches of rainfall, all depending on how fast the system moves. So it could be a very interesting start to the week, especially for Southern California. But right here in the Bay, our flooding risk does continue. Flood watch is still in effect and a flood warning still in effect for Sonoma County. We do have a winter storm warning up in the Sierra Nevada. We have multiple feet of snowfall set to come down, really picking up into Sunday, although it's going to come down all weekend long. Going to be measuring it in feet. And if you have plans on heading up to the Sierra, do expect that heavy snow paired with gusty winds that does result in blowing snow, drifting snow, and low visibility. So it can be very treacherous getting up there into the mountains. As I mentioned, multiple feet of it can be expected up there in those higher elevations. Today's daytime highs are going to be a touch cooler, mostly mid-50s, and tomorrow's going to be much the same. Saturday brings those morning showers, a dose of sunshine middle of the day. Rain picks up again Saturday night, and heavy rain on Sunday, likely into Monday too. Unsettled into next week. As for your roads, where we're sitting